a lot more.
Yeah.
Is that what's going to happen to get you back in the offense more
I
productive?
mean, that's what we've been doing. We still been doing that. Like Vic talked about, the bubble screens and things like that. Teams are really just, sticking three guys out there and, playing press coverage. So the bubble screen, that's kind of how you take that away. So, but still, you have a run game and still putting up, big time rush yards and things like that. So it's almost like you pick your poison. I just think as an offense, we just have to do a better job of converting. Really not having penalties, and when we're in the red zone, instead of taking 3 points, we have to score 7. So we can help our defense out a lot too, and vice versa. We help them out, they help us out. All around, special teams and all. Just feel we have to be a better team. We have to play good in all 3 phases of the game. So we know what it is. That's why we're here Tuesday working. Probably while the average team is at home relaxing. So we understand what it is, and we understand what we got in front of us.
As a
What
follow-up
should
to that,
have,
your